Hi guys, I am Abutaiub and welcome back to my channel. Today I will discuss you how to highlight mouse cursor free in all Windows or PC. We will get highlights mouse pointer. We get all benefits like increase definition. Definition means right mouse cursor are moving left and right, we can see easily. Second, increase attention. Increase attention means we see mouse cursor moving down and up, so it's increasing our attention. Get interesting presentation. Third, get interesting presentation. See easily and motivate our attention. So if we get highlights mouse cursor, really or rarely we are benefited. So let's get started. Highlights mouse cursor tutorial. First, go to Google Chrome and write highlights mouse pointer free. Highlights mouse pointer free and press enter option. See that get mouse pointer highlights Microsoft Store. See that Microsoft Store. Get mouse pointer highlight Microsoft Store. Click on it. And see that mouse pointer highlights utilities and tools. It is genuine tools of Microsoft. Do not sub third-party software. So it's not harmful. Mouse pointer highlights program very small and convenient in one file. So we can get free easily. Tap on get option. We can see that cancel or open Microsoft Store. Tap on open Microsoft Store. And we see that highlights mouse cursor option after few seconds. Just wait a few seconds. See that mouse pointer highlights utilities tools loading. I installed before few minutes, so I can launch it. You can see that install option and install download and click launch option. So I can launch mouse highlights option. This is highlights option. I increase and decrease it. See that when I increase it, size is increasing. Before 35, after 40. Hit on apply setting. See that 40 is very increasing. And opacity 2050, 250 is 55 is last opacity. So I can increase 55, 255 and select color low and OK. See that my cursor circle is selected color matching this, and click highlight. Viewers, see that when I click any situation, click highlights cursor is opening red color. So we increase and decrease it. Before 20, I increase it 20, 30. So, and opacity 255, and color I change color yellow and OK. Apply setting. See that, click highlights and mouse highlights cursor is very attentive and is very nice, looking nice. You can get mouse cursor highlights, and presentation is very benefits, and see easily writes ups and down. So viewers, you can get highlights mouse cursor in this tutorial. So you can subscribe my channel, like, comment and share my videos. Goodbye.